Okay. We are back. We have done a lot of off camera, off the recording, just to get stuff done so you guys don't have to sit here and watch. We sold that. We have all of our pallets loaded up finally. We're going to eventually sell them. We bought a new truck, 37 or 38,000, fully upgraded, because it couldn't pull, our truck couldn't pull this trailer. So we upgraded to the dually. It still struggles. It's still a little front heavy. Or front light, I guess. And then now here, we got to figure out what we want to put here. We're going to have to move the delivery spot probably so we can put a greenhouse up here. We're going to have to shorten this up because we cannot sell that house, and that's what we were going to do. And then we were going to put a house somewhere else. And then we got to get rid of this tree. I don't think... We bought it, so I think we can get... No. We have to cut it. Oh, yeah. So we will have to cut it. We got our horses. They're 100% rided. We got to get their fitness back up. So so you do have to ride them every so often to keep their fitness up. Don't have to ride them every day though. So yeah, then we got our pigs. We should have 45. 2,000 slurry. 42 out of 85%. Yeah, 45 pigs. We harvested all of our things. Dang, we're gonna have to come pick up some rocks now. That was loud. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Yep, because you could totally do that in real life. Before we go, we're gonna actually see. Wrong way. Maybe come over here to level. We need to get rid of this puddle of water. And now you go soften. It's got a little bit of an incline. That'll be fine. We just don't want... Yeah. It's like perfect. And now we... allow it to create a field. It's a little smaller as you can tell, but that's okay. That is how you get rid of low spots for water collection. If you didn't know that. There you go. Common sense, but God, that is terribly loud. Okay, let's plop someone there to hire that. Let's finish this. Oh my goodness. Ta-da. Bro, you're not blocked by schnot and talkers. But you're lying. I think those are worth, what did we say? 45,000, I think? We got 77,000 carrots. Stock. Maybe we should do a challenge, try to get 1,000,000. $41,000. And then January. Gotta wait for January. Can I buy? We bought one of these two to see if we could destroy these rocks, but you cannot. Those are probably part of the house. We got rid of that greenhouse and it got rid of the fence. So that's a little weird. I would have thought the fence would have been a part of the house. But it wasn't. $30,000 and we could buy another field. It's just the question is, oh my God, this one you get a bunch of, we might actually save up money to invest in this piece because we could put our whole farm back here then. Yeah. We'll see though. Well, we've got everything planted. We're going to take a nappy. Let everything, they're going to all need gas here pretty soon. Almost empty. So let's go to bed. Wake up. Sit inside. Great interior. Snoozy. What? Okay. It didn't. I'm a little confused. Don't touch anything. Boom. It is now December. We still gotta wait for January, so we got one more month now. Nay. We're gonna have to ride them probably. Yeah. Fitness, cleanliness, puberty. They're worth quite a bit. Let's see our pigs. Still got the same. So bright. Well, we're gonna wait again. Just did the daily riding on them. So now we can go back to bed. And next day. Unless we need to plant something. Nope. Oh wait, it's winter. Couldn't plant anything if we wanted to. Got a little bit of water there. Oh, you're just stuck on something. I'm not sure what. Oh, this thing. We could just get rid of it. We don't even need it. It was a mistake to buy. We don't want it. How far do you think we can eat this thing? Pretty far. If trees aren't in the way. What? Bro? What? It was actually working for a bit. Good to your work. Don't do it. It's gonna be one of these jobs we're gonna have to just do it ourselves, isn't it? It's never gonna. I don't understand. Why do you need to come this way? Are you like honestly that dumb? You AI that stupid? You buffoon. Oh my god. You guys make absolutely no goddamn sense. Just like that, now work. Holy mackerel, y'all are stupid shits. Okay, back to what we were doing. Selling this orange wagon. Dumb. Now work and don't get stuck. We gotta fix this. We fixed that one. We also fixed one that was right about there. You can kind of see where it's a little higher. Like that's a little higher. And this is a little higher right about here. And I think you can tell where we terraform because no rocks appear. But let's come pick up the rock. We should buy a little trailer for rocks. You know what? Maybe we Ooh, I think I no, I don't have that one. I think we buy could buy this. Oh, bale trailer capacity, bale trailer. Maybe not. Um I believe... Not that. Not that. Nope. I guess we don't. We'll just buy a trailer then, I guess. I was gonna buy like a little truck, but... Well, none of those trailers. What's the capacity? I guess the real question is if it does stone. Yep. It's 30 grand though, guys. I don't think we can be picky though. I think it's the only trailer we can. 1.6. That one would work. Or one of these, but then we'd have to get the trailer. We're gonna buy... Okay, so you can get the bale trailer. Huh. Now we'll take this tractor. It's just a little guy. It's like perfect for this tractor though. Okay, you can pick straw up with this thing. Whoops, my bad. Didn't know you could do that. Actually, I did. It's a silage. I don't think that's rock. I think that's lime. I'm gonna have to come cultivate it though, is what it looks like. Here we go. A lot of rocks in this field this time. We'll be right back. Okay, we just we basically got a full Full bucket here. There's this one. Time to go to the other field. Well, this field we got a full bucket, and still got to come back and do a little more. Bring the trailer over there. We tried to fix that once, but here we go, last few. And if you're just tuning in, you can buy this stone picker. This is standard in the game. These three are mods, obviously. This bucket that I'm using on the skid steer is also a mod. Yeah, you can pick them up like that. You don't pick them up like this normally. But if you're trying to go cheap, then this is it. Okay, now this we're going to put right down here for now. And then I'll park the skid steer just right there. Oh no, we gotta pick up rocks. We dropped a bunch of them. What a shame. Well, since there's no fence here, we'll use our backyard for everything. This is carrots, corn. We can use that. Well, that was this episode. Not too much. Bought a new truck and that was about it. We did horses. Got nothing for pigs. Next episode, hopefully we can do a lot. And this one wasn't much. We were gonna do a lot more, but stuff happened and videos get deleted, so. I gotta figure out the whole routine still on this. Yeah, we'll fix that too, probably. No, maybe not. That's not too bad. We fixed the big one there and the big one right there. That little one we might just leave there because it'll keep the whole field, yeah. We gotta figure out what we want to put behind there. And maybe we'll buy that land right there. hold on. Buy this land right here and put a house right here. And then I'll download a mod so we can delete that house. And then we'll be good. But if you are enjoying this, drop a like. Comment if you have any names for horses. We will keep horses and have you guys name them. But if you got any suggestions, leave them in the comments too. If you want to see anything, leave them in the comments. But thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day or night or morning, evening, whatever time it is for you guys when you are watching this.